What a beautiful way to start your weekend. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here on this beautiful Saturday, and we are going to show you a look at the boardwalk. Let's go take a walk.
All right, so we just came from, I guess, right around the Tiki Bar, 8th Avenue Tiki Bar, that portion of the boardwalk.
And you can tell it is springtime, but hasn't even started most of the spring breaks. Some TikTok going over here to the right. Okay.
Some TikTokers.
Right here, yeah, TikTokers getting their dance on.
All right, and I promised Larry I would show him the Pavilion, which is now the volleyball courts.
Yeah, Larry's not happy about that.
No.
And as you can tell, they have the volleyball nets out here today on the beach.
Yeah, let's see.
So they must have something going on, because normally they don't allow those pop-ups.
So today is, what's the day? March the 25th. 25th.
Look at that crowd, wow.
Yeah. Let's see here. All the way down 2nd Avenue Pier. There's some more YouTubers, it looks like.
Look at that pretty dog.
All right, we'll continue. So, last time I don't think they had these little seats.
Benches.
Little.
You can sit and watch the.
I thought they were soft, but they're a little harder than I expected.
That's good, so in case you get tired, you can just sit and watch the ocean.
All right.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you're gonna come down to see us for Easter weekend, make sure you booked your room.
What time is it? It's about almost 12.
Almost
right
lunchtime.
at 12.
And I am getting hungry.
So there's your volleyball courts.
There are a lot of people coming in. As you can tell, it's a bit windy.
It is a little windy, but it's warm.
It is, it feels good.
Probably 80 degrees right now.
I think it's supposed to get up to 86 today. I know next weekend it'll really be crowded.
Take a left here and then.
Let's see.
So this is the new boardwalk, which is not really that new anymore. And over here's Ripley's, believe it or not. And the Oceanfront Bar and Grill. And in between you got the Bowery. So we might take a quick stop here at the Oceanfront.
Yeah, because we've never eaten there before, so let's go check it out.
All right. Oh, that was a good shot. Let's see. Oh, might come over. Yeah, he saved it. Huh. Who would have thunk it? All right, so we'll make a quick stop here at the Oceanfront Bar and Grill. See what this is all about.
So we just came in and sat ourselves. Hopefully you can do that because we didn't see anybody. So we'll let you know if we get waited on in a few minutes. But I got a good view. And as you can see, it says, please do not feed the birds. Oh my, look what they're drinking. I need one of those.
All right, they got your starters, salads, boardwalk po' boys, sandwiches, and seafood. Of course, seafood. And they had the kids menu and stuff on the back. Drinks and cocktails.
And for those of you, like my sister, that loves fish tacos, they do have them on the menu. So you can add fries and coleslaw for $3. There you go.
Do you know what you want yet?
I think I'm going to try the shrimp basket.
And I might get the patty melt. If they have it, we'll see.
Well, unfortunately, I forgot that I was on a diet. So my son won't allow me to do fried shrimp. So, sorry.
So what'd you get instead?
The quesadilla.
The quesadilla.
Yeah, chicken quesadilla. Yum, yum. Whenever you get my age, you have to do this.
Yeah.
So you won't have a flu bug.
130 something.
Yeah. And now it's time just to sit back and people watch. For diet food, this looks absolutely delicious. Let's take a look at the inside of it.
It's the chicken quesadilla.
Chicken quesadilla, and this is actually an appetizer for $11.99. And look at that.
And I got the patty melt and french fries.
And that looks delicious too.
Oh, look at the melted cheese.
And it's very heavy.
Huh.
So yummy. Looks delicious.
Very heavy for a light person.
For a light person.
Like me.
And I'm going to steal a french fry. Alrighty. So if you love hot and spicy stuff like I absolutely do, it does have jalapenos in it. So beware. If you don't like hot stuff, you might want to tell them to hold the jalapenos to the side. But it is delicious and it's very hot.
All right, I just took a bite of that. What is that, a quesadilla? And she is not kidding about it being hot.
Fair warning.
That thing about burned my mouth wide open.
I tried to warn you.
Here's the plane.
Yep.
We got a couple of drinks, but for the patty melt and the chicken quesadilla, it comes out to be actually $39 plus tax, but they've added an 18% gratuity for $7.17. So, I guess that's pretty good for being right here on this beautiful view of the boardwalk.
I might need one of those to get us back.
Hey, we need one of those to get back, you said?
Exactly.
All right, we finished our lunch here at the Oceanfront Bar and Grill, and we'll continue our walk down the boardwalk toward the SkyWheel. And the sunshine has been covered up by the clouds.
Like we say, sometimes it can be shady in Myrtle Beach.
All right, you got Dirty Don's over here. What'd you say about the turtles?
This is something new to the area. It's not Tortuga Island, but it is Turtle Myrtle Beach.
Turtle Myrtle. Turtle Myrtle. All right. Now that looks like, is that rain clouds?
Yeah.
Good night.
I know it. I told you, Mother Nature's a little confused this year. And there's more volleyball courts out on the beach where Larry says they should be.
I guess the rain's not going to stop all the beach goers.
Heck no. Okay, and here's some more Snapchat or what is it?
Photo op.
Yeah.
Photo op things that the kids just love.
Absolutely. Can't get them away from it.
Here's your arcade. Here's your sweet treats. Abraham's, Yarrows.
Be out there, babe. See them? Where?
And we're coming up on the world famous gay dolphin. Let's see if we can finish this up before the rain comes in.
Heck yeah. SkyWheel still turning. They had it lit up for green on St. Patrick's Day.
Did they?
Yeah, they sure did. And here's that famous photo op sand castle. So they pretty much taken all the photo ops and put one on every section now. That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm. There's Mo Moons right here. A lot of people like that.
And remember, the dogs are allowed on the beach until May 31st. So if you got those little roughs, take them for a walk. If you don't take them before May 31st, I don't think you can let them back on until Labor Day weekend. The day after Labor Day.
The day after.
Yes. We don't want y'all to get any tickets, but just make sure you do check the laws before you take those little roughs out there on the ocean.
There's a good look at your SkyWheel with the dark clouds behind it.
I think whenever we got on the SkyWheel, a cloud came up like that.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
We'll get up here close, take a look at the Pier 14. Here's your mermaid statue right here in Plyler Park. The goddess of the sea.
Starting to get a little cooler. It was nice, as we told you earlier in the video, but whenever that sun goes in, it really chills it off quickly.
And here is a good look at Pier 14. we won't go all the way down. We'll stop here and see if we can make our way back to the car before this rain comes, if it's going to rain at all.
You never know. Some days are shady, some days are not. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed that quick stroll down the boardwalk on this beautiful Saturday in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. If you're coming to see us for Easter weekend and you see us out, make sure you say holla. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, family, and anyone you see. As always, keep beaching. What's he look?
Lord, we can't give her anything to drink.